In a quiet, desolate town shadowed by the memory of happier times, there lived a young woman named Clara. Her heart carried the weight of sorrow, her young love lost to the unyielding sea many years ago. Despite the passing time, Clara's heart remained anchored in the past, in the love story that had barely begun before it was tragically cut short. As autumn crept in, bringing with it the chill of forthcoming winter, Clara felt a peculiar sense of unrest. The air seemed to whisper secrets, and the wind carried echoes of a past not entirely her own. On the night of the harvest moon, a soft, melancholy tune drifted to her from the old lighthouse by the cliff, a place long abandoned and said to be haunted by the spirits of those lost at sea. Drawn by the melody, Clara ventured to the lighthouse. As she approached, the air grew colder and the melody clearer, a piano sonata, beautiful yet filled with sorrow. Inside the lighthouse, she found an old, dust-covered piano, its keys moving of their own accord, playing the haunting melody. Suddenly, the music stopped, and the lighthouse was plunged into silence. Then, a ghostly figure appeared before Clara, its features slowly becoming clearer until it took the form of her lost love, Ethan. His eyes were filled with the same love and sorrow that had filled his heart and life. Ethan spoke of a limbo between worlds where he had been trapped, unable to move on due to their unresolved love. He told Clara of the others, spirits trapped in sorrow, unable to find peace. He had learned to control the piano, hoping its melody would reach her, bring her to him. Ethan's appearance brought both joy and heartache. Clara realized she needed to help Ethan and the other lost spirits find peace. Together, they devised a plan. On the night of the next full moon, Clara played the piano as Ethan had taught her, pouring all her love and sorrow into the melody, calling to the spirits lost between worlds. As the melody soared, the spirits, drawn by the music, began to appear around Clara, their faces etched with longing and despair. But as the song continued, their expressions softened, and one by one, they found peace, their forms glowing with a soft light before fading into the night. With the dawn, Ethan was the last spirit remaining. He smiled at Clara, a smile that spoke of love, gratitude, and farewell. As the first rays of the sun pierced the darkness, Ethan embraced Clara one last time, his form dissolving into light, leaving behind a feeling of peace and the faint scent of the sea. In the days that followed, Clara felt a lightness she hadn't known in years. The lighthouse, once a symbol of her deepest sorrow, had become a beacon of hope. She dedicated herself to preserving the memories of those lost, turning the lighthouse into a sanctuary for those who mourned. With the curse of the lighthouse broken, the town gradually shed its desolation, its people drawn to the lighthouse's new purpose. Clara found solace in helping others navigate their grief, her heart mending as she witnessed the healing power of shared sorrow and remembrance. Years passed, and the story of Clara and the lighthouse became a testament to the power of love and the importance of letting go. Clara never forgot Ethan, but she learned to live with his memory as a source of strength, not sorrow. In the end, Clara's life was a tapestry of loss, love, and ultimately redemption. The lighthouse, once a harbinger of despair, now stood as a beacon of hope, guiding others through the darkness, just as it had guided her to find peace in the light of day. This story of Clara and the lighthouse teaches that even in our darkest moments, there is always a path toward light and peace. Love remains, guiding us through sorrow to a place of healing and new beginnings.